For security and privacy on the internet, you should have VPN connection on your device. It routes all your internet activity through a secure and encrypted connection, which prevents others to see your location and online activity. Hello guys, today we will set up our own free VPN. So let's get started. I'm setting up the server on the AWS EC2 instance, but you can use any other Linux machine you like. First, go to your EC2 console. And click on Launch Instance. Next, choose your AMI. I'm choosing here free tier Ubuntu server. Next, I'm choosing free tier instance type. Now click Next. Here leave all the instance details as default. You can add here extra storage if you want. I'm keeping it as a default. Click Next again. Now let's add some rules that will allow traffic to come in. First, let's add custom TCP. Set the port range as 943. Next, add all the traffic to come in. Add another custom TCP rule and set port range 443 and allow all traffic to come in as well. And next, add custom UDP rule, set port range as 1194 and set all traffic to come in here as well. Next, click on Review and Launch. Check if everything is good and then click on Launch. Now here you can create your key pair in order to connect it via SSH. So click on Create a new key pair and give a key pair name and then click on Download key pair and finally click on Launch Instance. You can view your instance now. Let's wait for it to boot up. In the meantime, let's open command prompt and SSH into the instance you created. Now here you will need your key that you downloaded. Let's do SSH -i, your key, and do Ubuntu at and copy your public IP and paste the IP here. Hit enter, click on yes. And now you are inside the EC2 instance. Let's clear the screen and maximize it. Now first we need to download the OpenVPN installer. I will provide the links in the description as well. Once you paste the link here, hit enter. Next, let's make the OpenVPN install file as executable. Do chmod +x + file name. Now let's run it. Do sudo and VPN file path. Keep the IPv4 as default, hit enter, choose UDP as the protocol, keep this as a default, hit enter, and next choose first option here. Next enter the name of your client and then press enter again. It will start creating the config file for you, wait for it. Once it is done, next go to the root folder, do sudo su hyphen, and here you see that one user is created. Move this to the home folder. Now open another command prompt and let's bring this file to the local machine. Do scp -i location of your private key pair. And username and give the public IP of the instance. And location of the file. And last, give the location where you want it to add. I am putting it into the download folder. Hit enter. So next, let's install OpenVPN on your machine. Search for OpenVPN community version. And install the desired version for your machine. Now let's install it quickly. Now go in the toolbar section, search for OpenVPN icon, right click and click on import file, click the download config file. Next right click again icon, click on connect, and here you see that our connection was successful. Now we can go and verify this. Open the browser and type what is my IP. And you will see your public IP address here. It will show the same address from your server. So that's all from this video, guys. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.